Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, 9th March, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets ended sharply lower on Friday, with the Dow down nearly 1%, the S&P 500 falling about 1.3%, and the Nasdaq declining around 1.6%. Rising oil prices, geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, and weak U.S. jobs data triggered risk-off sentiment across Wall Street. Asian markets opened sharply lower today, with Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi plunging, as rising oil prices and escalating Middle East tensions triggered risk-off sentiment. Investors remain cautious as fears of supply disruptions and higher inflation weigh on global market outlook. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,753, thereby indicating a sharply negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices have surged sharply above $100 per barrel, the highest level since 2022, as escalating conflict in the Middle East and disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz raised fears of major global supply shortages. Gold is trading firm supported by safe haven demand, as investors move toward defensive assets amid geopolitical uncertainty and volatility in global equities. UltraTech Cement has signed an agreement to acquire a 26.2% stake in Sunshore Solar Park 38 Private Limited, a renewable energy company. The move is aimed at strengthening the company's green energy sourcing and reducing power costs across its operations. GNFC has informed that LNG supply has been impacted due to the ongoing Middle East conflict, after GAIL Limited received a force majeure notice from Petronet LNG Limited. As a result, our LNG allocation to GNFC has been reduced to 60% of its daily contracted quantity, starting March 6. E-commerce platform Meesho has received an income tax demand notice of 1,499.73 crore rupees for the assessment year 2023 to 24 from the Income Tax Department, including applicable interest. The company is currently reviewing the assessment order. Given crude oil's sharp surge to over $100 per barrel after 4 years due to the conflict in the Middle East fomenting supply concerns, Nifty is expected to open sharply lower below 24,000 today. As such, resistance for today will be at 23,960, while supports which may be tested will be at 23,630, followed by 23,365. Escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and a sharp surge in crude oil prices above $100 could trigger risk-off sentiment, increase inflation concerns, and weigh on Indian equities. Strong domestic institutional buying and potential bargain hunting after recent corrections could help stabilize markets, while positive developments in renewable energy and infrastructure sectors may support sentiment. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 6,030 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 6,972 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on March 9, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.